Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be showing you this cute little mermaid decor that I made with a plastic bowl, clay and some paint. It also has some beach shells that I collected a week back from the beach, and I hope you guys enjoy the way I made it. Things which we need for this project are any small plastic bowl, school glue, a doll's upper body, paint of your choice, clay and some plaster of Paris. Now cover the bowl with glue and tissue paper. Let it dry for 4 to 5 hours. Make a block of aluminium foil and glue it in the bowl. That's where our doll is gonna sit. Now pour a mixture of plaster of Paris and water in the bowl, and you can see the consistency here. If you want, you can mix some color in it like I did in the next batch. Here I poured some color and I'm using Q-tip to make some waves in the water. Now I'm going to make the lower part of my mermaid, and here I'm using air dry clay. Here I'm also taking help of some mermaid images on Google, and I decided to use pistachio shell to make design on the tail. Before that, I'm going to glue it with my doll, and here I'm using Elmer's white glue. The tail is glued, and now I'm going to use pistachio shell to make design on the tail. I'm using knife to make some design, some lines here. Now my favorite part, time to paint. Paint it with black acrylic color first, and then you can pick your own colors. Like I'm using metallic blue, rose gold and gold color for the tail with a tinge of green and purple. And now I'm going to apply some glue at the bottom of the bowl, and I'll sprinkle some sand which I had. You can use any sand, you can even get it from outside, and then let it dry for a few hours. I'm going to glue some beach shells that I collected. You can also glue some pearls or stones. In the end, I also made a starfish from clay, and here it goes. Here's the final look. What do you guys think? Please let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it.